Good morning everyone. I am Aileen Hasinan, Visayas 4, and for today's video, I want to share with you the parts and function of manual Toyota Fortuner. Let's go. This is the green bumper and the plate number, and this one is the hood. This is the headlight, signal light, and park light. And this is the side mirror with signal light. And this one is the windshield and windshield wiper. And this is the window, then door handle, door. The fuel system. And this one is the tire, hubcap, and this is what we call the seat. This is the back door wiper. The plate number and also the bumper. And this one is the tail light and the signal light. This one is the park light. And this is the rear view mirror, the steering wheel. And this one is the gear, the handbrake. And this one is the seat belt and the seat. This is the clutch, brake, and the accelerator. This one is the visor.